Mastering the passive voice, a hands-on approach. Hello everyone and welcome to another English language learning video. Today we're going to dive deep into the world of the passive voice, specifically, converting active voice to passive voice. This skill is incredibly useful for English speakers at all levels, especially in academic or formal contexts, so let's get started. Before we start practicing, it's important that we understand what the active and passive voices are. In active voice, the subject of the sentence performs the action. For example, the dog chased the cat. In passive voice, the subject of the sentence is acted upon. The same sentence in passive voice would be, the cat was chased by the dog. The basic structure for passive voice in English is subject plus be plus past participle plus by plus agent. Here, agent refers to the one who is actually doing the action. Remember, not every passive voice sentence requires an agent. For instance, my wallet was stolen. Here, we're not specifying who stole the wallet. Now that we understand the structure of the passive voice, let's learn how to convert active voice sentences to passive voice. For example, take the sentence, John ate the apple. In passive voice, it becomes, the apple was eaten by John. Here's a step-by-step guide for this conversion. 1. Identify the subject, verb, and object in the active voice sentence. 2. Switch the object with the subject. 3. Change the verb into its past participle form. 4. Add a suitable form of be before the verb. 5. If needed, add by before the new object, which was the subject in the active voice sentence. Now let's put your understanding into practice. Here are some active voice sentences for you to convert into passive voice. 1. Maria is writing a letter. 2. The team won the match. 3. She will open the present. 4. The teacher is correcting the papers. 5. We have finished the project. Remember, practice is key to mastering this skill, so take your time and try to solve these on your own. That's it for today's video on converting active voice to passive voice. I hope you found it helpful and now have a better understanding of the passive voice in English. Don't forget to practice the exercises we've provided. Keep practicing, stay curious, and continue learning. See you in our next video.